Makachre say there is nothing the NPP MPs in Parliament can stop this government from doing. There is nothing. Back to a Parliament, they cannot vote against anything. Emanenya Juma. They say omun number no inferior, omun number no sa. Yeah. Omun number no esa. They cannot oppose anything. Something happened in Parliament. I am sure, say, Mamu say, sad story we enam from Mamu. I'll play a video for you. Mr. Bernard Ahiafor, the deputy first speaker in Parliament. Se bagwi niwa onuna ewo. Nandra na onuna ne tigum. Na nieba and say no mu to about concerning something or mu to about bibi. Our Parliament or omututu wie ya no na nipa 154 efuaso say embram na out of 154 no na say Mr. Bernard Ahiafor so to be because emre bi etwem I think was it 11 or something like that omutu abana mane ko duru ba bi ma time na MPP for power no omu deputy speaker etu bi ka asem no copy Supreme Court ruling no the by and say so a deputy speaker or who can say about to course of Parliament to be. And then Mr. Bernard Ahiafor to be as first deputy speaker no tear John and Bra. I can say I have the right to vote by Supreme Court ruling. Ahiafor as he votes as speaker. And Mr. Bernard Ahiafor to Abanabi. And I can say yes, we got the right to vote. What can I say? But the case no conduce Supreme Court catch say every second deputy speaker with the right to vote. And say let me tell you na two abamensu me with the right to vote. Instead of 154, me vote na be kan one me for motion no sunti aya 155. Pain landed straight to the 38.2 family. Now for the Parliament MPP for no o my ja. Look at what happened yesterday. Jade ne ko so ni
Honorable members, you may now resume your seats. Honorable members, after the head count, members, after the head count, those who oppose the motion, 25. Those who support the motion and voted in favor, they numbered 154. Honorable members, by the decision of the Supreme Court, by the decision of the Supreme Court and by our standing order 152.5, if the person presiding is a deputy speaker, he has a vote to cast. That vote is in the support of the aye. The total is now 155. Yes.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, arise.
Enti ebusianfo na esi e wo parliament no no. Bon say ebra na nkrofo we wo power. There are certain decisions be omo take yana yeka say one day it will go around and hunt them. No muntiasie. Yes, you catch them some of them. You catch them say decisions need be amu taking when you're careful because one day decisions now amu taking it will go around and then hunt you. Na womuntiasie. Today see. And let's see. This issue could be a Supreme Court. Emma, the judiciary undertook no. A ruling said deputy speaker with the right to vote because that day they needed one vote to do their own thing because 11 years. So they needed an extra vote to do their own thing. And a second deputy speaker for 2 years. Case Nipi's Parliamentary, say a second deputy speaker, he has the right to vote. And then Ahiafor, I followed that same ruling now, Supreme Court, the buyer, and Mumu regime, the same thing. Waja. You catch them say, and Niamana be a muyano, turn around and hunt you guys one day. Namun Tiasia, today see. The same thing. We told you. And then Adani Guru or Parliament House. That's why I make them say these people cannot stop anything. Me say, San Crofo we won. Bibia ni wa mu betima ayeden, wa mu betime ayeden a stop it. There is nothing that they can stop in this administration. There's nothing. They will just make noise, they will talk plenty. At the end of the day, they cannot stop anything. Because numbers no more no end stop BBR. So they will get people to make noise. Bernard Ahiafor will say, I have the right to vote. Mumu Supreme Court. Under my regime, ruling now Supreme Court the buy no. And nuna Bernard Ahiafor this so pepepe ediye na anjumo Parliament. And there, why na lose? And then who lose? You catch them. You know, you na you making sure say mrana ya juma despite party or power. Na mu say that. Bibia Supreme Court ne a rule amam. Bibia Supreme Court ne a rule amam. And then we share my bravo. So that is what happened in Parliament yesterday. Now, me babe pong na answer na me pong no. Let me put this out. Where your schools move limited man and van. Fresh 0738 9835 312 0738 9835 312. Services: student moves, office relocation, moving furniture, small home moves, moving items to storage, transporting items from stores, collections and delivering of goods. Say United Kingdom and important, especially London na Bomodian so be fresh schools move limited. Na womaye den womo ababe yu niama na free baby a free ediako baby a woko. This is final sense. I know Afenyo and his colleagues wants to complain, but they can't because they made it possible. Do you see? Omuna Amasadi Uyabaso. Kim Poborski say the MPP did during their regime. Go and ask Joe Wise. Joshua said Joe Wise in the 8th Parliament is reference. Good. Ayeye say it has come to stay and until they go to court for otherwise, your voting right must be exercised. Alaji say it was a matter taken to court by the elephant. Now it's hunting them. Good. Ochri Simon say yes, you have the right to vote. The MPP and the then Supreme Court thought they are smart by bending the rules favor the MPP. Makojo say anytime I wake up and realize that Nana Akufo-Addo is not or can't be our president again, my spirit within me jumps. God, thank you for this deliverance. Anything Abusian for MPP for Moyari no Eswa Duruna na Edema Mono Temun no complaints. Shut up.